Hello again. This is a, well, rather nice looking master lock. It's a full brass bodied 40mm number 575 and it has a 5-pin core inside it and a ball bearing mechanism as well, so double locking ball bearings. So not too bad as far as master lock goes. The core can't be removed. It looks like it's been, well, I don't know how they put that in, either press fit or screwed in, then they've just drilled or milled the top of the screw head off. I'm not entirely sure, but we'll have a go at picking this nevertheless, and we'll just try with a gem style pick, and we'll just go in and see what we can find. So pulling the pick back through, pin 2 here needs to be picked. I can feel it binding. Yeah, that's not great. That shows some really poor tolerances. Let's just try that with a rake, just a standard sort of triple peak, and we'll go in there and we'll give that a bit of a rake as well and see what we can do as far as raking this lock is concerned. Weirdly, raking this lock is taking a bit longer than picking this lock, but there we go, we've got it open anyway. Yeah, not great. Looks good though, looks good, but definitely not exactly high security, which is a shame because I've got another lock here made by True Value, which I guess is nowhere near as famous as Master Lock. I think this is an in-store brand, an American brand, but this lock has spool pins in and it's a fabulous pick, a really lovely intermediate pick. So if you go to get one of these, this is a good beginner's lock, good for raking and picking. This one, if you can get hold of one of these, is so good for just general picking. It's a great comfort lock if you really like your spool pins. This, yeah, not so much.